Hello, hello. How are you, my friends? I hope you are doing fantastic. Welcome to my second English vlog. I'm so excited to share this with you. I am still a little nervous. I'm not as nervous as I was in the first one, but I hope it's gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be okay. So, over the last few days, I was planning and planning what should I do for my second English vlog and this and that. But things happen and then everything doesn't go the way you planned it. So that's what happened to me, and it's okay. It's okay. What can I say? So in this vlog, originally I was planning to share my weekly, daily morning routine, but because in Oklahoma we are having bad weather right now, so it's not gonna be my regular morning routine. Today we are doing distance learning. Yay! No! ¿Por qué? Okay, yes, distance learning for all the parents and kids in my school district. So I'm gonna be really honest. I just don't like distance learning, and my kids don't like it either. I know there's kids that enjoy so much being at home and do distance learning, but there are also kids that they don't like it. And this is the case. But I still want to share with all of you how it went this day. This is how we started. After the kids ate breakfast, they started with the first assignment, which was reading. So here is Atlas reading his Diary of the Wimpy Kid. And here's Orion also reading another book of the Diary of the Wimpy Kid. And here they are, looking so comfortable and cozy in their favorite spot to read. While the kids are reading, my husband is enjoying his morning coffee like every single day. Who doesn't need a morning coffee, especially to start the day, right? And guess what? Now it's time for me to get up and start my day. But I have to have that morning coffee that my husband made for me. He also greets me every single morning with a good morning kiss. Thank you, husband. Love you. Here is Rusty, my friends, waking up just now. Good morning, Rusty. How are you today, sir? It's almost 9 in the morning, and my husband left to go to work. And as you can see, this part of the assignments are not the best ones for Orion and Atlas. Yes, it's been hard. He's getting frustrated. He doesn't like math. Math is really hard for him. And right now, I'm talking to him and I'm telling him everything is going to be okay. We'll figure it out together and we're going to get through these assignments together. One of the hardest part of being a mom of two kids at home is having to divide yourself into two. Here I was with Orion and now I have to start with Atlas. I'm reading on my phone the assignments for Atlas while Orion is trying to work on his math. Atlas, it's your turn. So you need to decide which assignment are you gonna do. Oh, I can see that face. I can see that face. He's not happy about it, but we're gonna work it out. Yes, We haven't even started with Atlas, and I just sent him for a break because he's getting frustrated, and I think I'm at the point that I'm getting frustrated too. So I'm just gonna take a break, take a shower, get ready for today. There's some moments that I just wanna pull my hair off. Please do it. I wanna yell, I wanna scream, but you know what? I know that at the end of the day, that is not gonna resolve anything. It's gonna make it worse. So through the time, through the months that I have had my kids in counseling for different reasons, I have learned that yelling, screaming, spanking are not the solution for all of this. Believe me, moms, I'm really patient, but sometimes my patience gets to the point that I need to scream and yell, but I go away. I said, you know what? This is not working for you and for me. Let me take a minute and I'll come back. And you take a minute too. So that's when the kids go and take a break, and then we come back all calm and keep working together. Because as a Mexican mom too, let me tell you, I have my temper and I can yell and I can spank if I want to, but that doesn't work for me. So I have to, I prefer to do it in a better way, which is getting calm and then come back and do it. It might take us hours to do something that can be done in just 20 minutes, but I know it's gonna be done. Of course, I wanna share with you this beautiful view that I have from my backyard. As you can see, the grass is covered with ice and snow. I think it's a combination of both, and you can see this beautiful view. I have 2 ponds in my neighborhood, and I love this view. I just love it. After everybody was calm, Atlas returned to his assignments. Right now, he's working on the last one. Yay! He had to write down these side words on a piece of paper, and he had to jump over them, repeating that side word. Let's see how it went.
Change, important again, every, one, above, because, often, there, never.
Of course, after they finished their homework, the table was a mess. But we finished, we got it done. Now I asked Orion and Atlas to help me to clean up their mess. And as you can see, here is Atlas vacuuming the table with this little vacuum. And by the way, I have a little Amazon store. If you want to visit my description box in my video, you're going to have a link straight to that store, and you can see all the items that I have used in the past and I still use. So don't forget to check that box, okay? Hey, guess what, my friends? We are done with all the assignments for distance learning. Now I can breathe. It was not easy, let me tell you this, but We finished. Yay! I feel so happy, my friends. It's 1:28 and they just finished like 25 minutes ago. So imagine how long they took to accomplish everything. But it's okay. It's okay. So I don't know, at this point of the day, I don't know if tomorrow is gonna be another distance learning, but hopefully not. But if that happens, that's okay. I know it's not easy for moms out there. It's not easy to have our kids here because sometimes they cry, they run, they don't want to do the assignments, they just want to watch TV. And I know most of us are going through the same thing. But guess what? At the end of the day, like always, moms always got it. Okay, so I'm so happy that today is over. Like I said earlier, I wanted to share my daily routine, morning daily routine, but things change, and that's okay. Because life, it's about things happening that we don't expect, right? So we just need to learn how to get through it, and that's fine. For you moms out there that are watching my video, how everything is going with you? What are the struggles that you're having with your kids while you're doing distance learning? I would like to support each other, giving us tips if it's possible here in the comments. Like, I want to hear from you. I know I'm not alone on this. I know there are school districts in Oklahoma that they still close for school in person, and I'm glad that my district is open and my kids can go to school and interact with their friends, because they also, as a kids, they need that interaction. Imagine, for us as adults, it's difficult to stay home and not to see I don't know, co-workers and talk to them, family members and things like that. So can you imagine how hard are for the kids? Are you having any difficulties with your kids in, I don't know, behaviors because they have been doing just distance learning from home? I don't know. I would like to hear from you guys, okay? Thank you, moms and dads, or whoever is watching this video, for watching me today. Remember, it's a pleasure for me to share these videos. I know I'm starting these English vlogs, but I hopefully have your support and keep doing this for you and for me. Thank you for watching and see you en el siguiente video. Adiós.